Imagine yourself in this 2017 Ram 2500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Bighorn badge, current generation engine controller, tow hooks, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet, folding flat load floor storage, media hub, RAM active air, Uconnect access, charge-only remote USB port and steering wheel mounted audio controls. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.